Hello children, welcome back again in this video. Children, you know that nowadays we are discussing and we are practicing the tenses, and I told you children, tenses are very important for making a meaningful sentence. Without a tense you cannot create a meaningful sentence. So you have to learn these sentences thoroughly. So then you can make the meaningful sentences correctly with the help of these tenses. So children, in this I have taught you about the simple present tense. So children, I told you that simple present tense, in simple present tense we take the subject. There are two subjects in simple present tense. First one is singular subject and second one is plural subject. With singular subject we always use a singular verb. And what is the singular verb? The fifth form of verb. And with plural subject we always take a plural verb. And what is the plural verb? The first form of verb. For example, Ram goes to school. In this you can see Ram is a single person and goes is the fifth form of verb. And in the plural, Ram and Sham go to school. So children, you can see in this sentence Ram and Sham, these are two children, and I have used here the first form of verb, that is go. So now let's move ahead to the second tense, that is simple past tense. So children, you know that any action that happened that at the same specific time in the past, so that time we use a simple past tense. And what is the structure of simple past tense, children? We use subject plus second form of verb. Which form of verb? Second form of verb with all the subjects. Now you can understand with the examples. I watered plants. So children, I is a subject and watered is a second form of verb. In the next sentence you can also see the chef cooked the meal. So here also the chef is our subject and cooked is the verb, and it is the second form of verb, children. So children, the simple past tense, in the positive sentence we always use the second form of verb with all the subject. You can understand with the examples also. It rained heavily last week. Here it, I, the doctor, they, my father, he, the academic staff, the gardener, the company, the kids. You can see these all subjects are coming in the place of subject. And which form of verb here we are using? We are using the second form of verb, that is rained, assassinated, examined, planted, died, swam, arranged, mowed, launched and bought. So children, we use the second form of verb in the positive simple past sentences with all the subjects. And now we let's learn the uses of simple past tense. So children, first of all we use this tense to express the action completed in the past, to express the sentences that completed in the past. For example, Megha received a letter yesterday. So you can understand this action completed in the past. And the form of verb is second, received. She almost drowned in the sea. It is also telling about the past incident. So here is also we have used the second form of verb, that is drowned. Now the next use of simple past tense is to express a series of complete actions, means your daily routine. Series of action, children, means your daily routine or the works that you are doing continuously. So here you can see with the example, Risha arrived at the airport at 6, checked into the hotel at 7 and went for dinner at 8. So this all the actions are going on one by one. So here also we have used with the series of completed action. Now the third use of the simple past tense, children, to express a duration of time in the past the action begins and end in the past. So children, any action which began in the past and it also end in the past, so that time we also use the simple past tense. So here you can see the example. They lived in Australia for 2 years. So here they lived, Australia means this action happened in the past and also ended in the past. Next, we talked on the phone for 30 minutes. So here also, when we talked means in the past time we talked for 30 minutes and it was started in the past and it was also ended in the past. Now last one is to express habits in the past. So I told you same as like the habits that we use the simple present tense for our present habits. So same as we use to express our habits in the past. For example, I studied German when I was a child. So here you can see when I studied German when I was a child. So it means it is my past habit. Next one, Hitesh usually went home on Saturday. So it means this is the habit of you, Hitesh, in the past time. Same as last one, he did not play the piano. So here also you can understand that he did not play the piano in the past. It means he does not play the piano in the present also. So children, I hope you have understood the usage and with the examples that how do we use the simple past tense in the positive sentences. So at last, one more time I would like to tell you that with all subject we use the second form of verb with the simple past tense. Children, if you have any problem, any query, you are always welcome to ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.